sturdy, so hopefully there's no damage. You just never know. Actually, it looks really good. Decent enough paintwork, Jamesy Bite. Quite impressed. Right, get it fitted there. The only one issue I had was one of these rivets didn't line up, so I just had to re-drill the trim. But apart from that, what you doing, fly man? Didn't bother with the cat. So apart from that, if it's fucking spot on, get it on the car. One thing you need to do is just move the, you would have to take these off your other splitter, move them up here, drill a hole, and then you can slide that on and then just re-drill your trim so you're held on at least with 2 screws. So this is what you're wanting to do here. So you want to drill the trim in the back, fit your clip for your splitter, and then just drill a hole through the front, and then you can mount your inner wheel arch trim properly with the 2 screws. So that's us all fitted. If this is something you would be interested in getting, I will leave a link in the description to James Bertram's Instagram. He's the boy that supplies these and can paint them for you as well. If you enjoyed that video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, leave a wee comment for the algorithm and consider subscribing.